Alright dude, so here is the Jameson kit. Tried to think like Jameson. That doesn't work, so I ended up making a John kit out of Jameson parts. Tried to channel the U I could, because I know y'all, you like your ride cymbal. So that's your 18. You got your, I really like that guy over there. He's awesome. Here's your 16. I went with your Ruhan hat. Splash. So I really wish I could have got this guy over this way a little bit more. But as far as like over here to over there, and especially with the left hand from here to there, here, doesn't feel like you're going super crazy. So I'm really digging it. I mic'd it up. That's what you're listening to right now. Just with the overhead mic right there. The kick's sitting there because the kick's too short. But yeah, dude, we'll work something out. Maybe I'll give you the garage door opener. You can come down here and jam when we're gone at work, since you work at home if you get dead time, and we'll figure it out, man. But yeah, it's set up, bro.